For you. And I'll ask my brothers and sisters of the clergy to lead that march with me when we do leave. But before that, I just want to tell you about something that I've been thinking about lately. And what I've been thinking about is I've been thinking about the mothers of black sons. I've been thinking about the fathers and the grandparents as well. I've been thinking about the daughters as well, but I've been especially thinking about the mothers of black sons, and I've been thinking about the terror that they live in when they send their the mothers send their 5-year-old sons off to kindergarten and put them into a school system that they are scared to death will ignore and allow those children to go uneducated through the time that they're going to be there. I'm thinking about the terror that mothers of black sons have when their children go off to middle school, and the terror that they live with of the drugs that are going on in the middle school, and about their children being drafted to be the purveyors and the sellers of those drugs. I'm thinking about the terror of mothers of black sons when their children go off to high school and the violence that they have to put up with. And all the while, in grade school and in middle school and in high school, the terror that they live with, that their children will be shot in the street as they walk along. I was part of an experience at Newton Street School a couple of years ago where we walked around and had a short vigil at the shooting site where 14 children that had been in the Newton Street School had been shot and killed within just the last year before that thing. Think of that, 14 children who had been a part of the school or graduated from that school within a year had been shot and killed. I'm thinking of the terror that the mothers of those black sons live with every day as their children go through a school system that does not care, that graduates them to a prison system that cares even less, because there are those who care about the money that they make from that prison system. And I want us all to think about the mothers of those other children and where they have to spend their time because they don't have the opportunities that some of us have. And how can we live with ourselves until we make sure that we all have the same opportunities, that we're born into a country? And when mothers of black sons no longer need to fear for their sons' lives and for their sons' welfare, we will know that our job is done. And until then, we will gather and we will speak. We'll gather and we'll march. We'll gather and we'll talk to the legislators. And we'll gather and we'll do whatever we need to do until every mother can be confident that their child is going to get what they need from us and from our society. Let's march.
Yeah.